Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure you have test flight access or the signed IPA. This matters because official App Store builds aren't always available. Once done, grant storage and notification permissions so downloads and updates can run in background. Next, add a source extension and enable it. This is how the app finds manga. Finally, set download quality and storage location, and toggle Wi-Fi only to avoid using mobile data while fetching chapters. Now you'll continue by populating and organizing the app. You add titles from a source, search or paste a URL, then hit Add to Library. This ensures chapters are tracked for updates. Once added, queue desired chapters and set the number of concurrent downloads so your device won't overload. Make sure page viewer settings match your reading preference. For example, right to left for Japanese releases. Use tags and custom categories to keep series grouped. That makes batch downloading and updating much faster. Finish by syncing trackers and enabling auto-update so new chapters appear automatically. This saves manual checks. Test a downloaded chapter in the reader to confirm orientation, cropping, and image order are correct. Adjust viewer settings until comfortable. Make sure background downloads are allowed and battery optimizations are off for Tachimanga, otherwise downloads may stop. If something fails, clear the extension cache and re-authenticate the source. If a title is broken, remove and re-add it. This often resolves mismatched.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.